Hi guys! So for today's video, I'm going to do a lip swatch and review of the new L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature. So I have their 10 colors. Nagpunta kasi ako sa event nila. And it was so much fun. These babies right here. Okay, so describe ko muna yung packaging. It's a different packaging from all the liquid lipsticks that I saw. And it has a frosted glass, acrylic glass if I'm not mistaken. It's so posh and meron siyang matte handle. And then you have here a gold plate that says L'Oreal Paris. And then you can see the shade here sa taas. And then when you open it, the applicator looks like this. Reminds me of the L'Oreal Infallible liquid lipstick. Pero ito para siyang thinner. Yeah, it's thinner and it is kinda softer. So that's the packaging. Ang price nito, if I'm not mistaken, this retails for 390 pesos. I know, that is quite expensive. Pero alam mo yun na talaga yung pricing talaga ng L'Oreal eh. It's like, Maybelline and L'Oreal are sisters. So Maybelline is more budget-friendly, pero yung L'Oreal is like more on the luxury side, if you know what I mean. So bago ko gawin yung lip swatch, I'm gonna show you a very quick clips muna where I did a wear test. Hindi na ako gagawa ng solo wear test for this one because pagsamahin na natin. para isang pasadahan na lang siya. So kung gusto makita ano yung naging performance niya, please continue watching.
My thumbnails are too boring, my titles are too boring. So maybe if I...
Oh my god! Okay. Alright. So, bagong lip swatch, sasabihin ko na yung review ko para yung lip swatch tuloy-tuloy na until my extra. These Rouge signatures are different from any other liquid lipstick that I've tried. It's like a combination, para siyang combination ng lip tint and a liquid lipstick. Kasi yung formula niya, it is so thin, it is so liquidy and lightweight. Parang isang apply lang na ganon, pwede mo na siyang i-spread on your lips and then you're good to go, just like a lip tint. But at the same time, you can apply it full pack on if you want to have yung liquid lipstick effect. But the good thing about this is it is so lightweight na kahit naka full pack on siya, yung feeling niya, hindi siya katulad ng Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink na mararamdaman mo na you're wearing it, or even the Infallible, or even the Vice Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. It's different. It's so lightweight talaga. But the thing is guys, hindi siya transfer proof, hindi siya kiss proof. Kapag kinis mo yung back ng hand mo, kapag may kinis kang ibang tao, babakat siya, you know, pero hindi siya singlala. Hindi siya singlala ng Phenomenal Velvet Lip Kit ng Vice Cosmetics na para talaga siyang lipstick, alam mo yon. Hindi rin siya singlala ng lipstick na, alam mo yung pag kinis mo, parang buong labi mo bakat na bakat. Hindi naman siya ganon. And alam mo yun, it's very long lasting, so forgivable. Medyo forgivable yung hindi niya pagiging kiss proof. Kasi nga hindi singlala nung ano mo yun, typical lipstick, bullet lipstick, or yung Phenomenal Velvet Lip Kit na yun talaga pag halik mo, buong labi mo talaga makikita mo. Pero eto parang ano siya, if it's on your lips, hindi siya kakalat or whatsoever. Yung mga lipstick kasi, and then yung the Phenomenal Velvet Lip Kit, parang gumano lang yung hair mo. Magkakamark ka na dyan, be. But overall, I enjoyed this product. I would highly recommend that you try this kasi iba talaga yung formula niya. But the thing is, it's expensive. It's quite expensive for me for 390. Pero alam mo yun, if you have the extra budget, go try this. It's really worth trying. Some of you would definitely like this, lalo na if you're into lip tints, but you want to transfer also, but you want to try liquid lipstick, but you know, na-intimidate ka sa mga liquid lipstick. Parang nahihirapan ka sa liquid lipstick. This formula could be for you. You can use it as a lip tint or you can use it as a liquid lipstick. And nakita naman sa wear test ko, it is very long wearing. I mean, kumain ako ng bulalo. Pero alam mo, hindi tsaka yung pagkabawas niya, hindi nag-chip or whatsoever. It fades out like a lip tint. Yun talaga ang bumenta sa akin. Yung para siyang lip tint. But you know, it could be a liquid lipstick as well. You don't have to get all the colors kasi may mga colors dito na parang, alam mo yun, parang meron ka na, no? Okay, so far yun lang masasabi ko. Kung meron ka additional na chika, I will try to insert it as I do the lip swatch. I know you're excited, so without further ado, here is the lip swatch. So the first shade that I have on is called I Explore. So ang gagawin ko, guys, I'm gonna show you what it looks like if it's just one ply, and then spread out na parang, ano mo yun, lip tint lang. Yung formula pala niya, it's easy to blend. Para siyang may slight oil. Feel ko lang naman. And it's not gonna dry your lips. So this is I Explore na parang ginamit kong lip tint. Just one dot and then I just spread it all over my lips. Now I'm gonna show you the full pack on color. This is yung parang spread out, and this is the full pack on color. Smells like vanilla. So ito yung freshly applied, and then later on it's gonna turn into a matte, demi matte. Although it's gonna take some time bago siya mag-set.
Life seems like one big test with barely much time to rest. It goes right when you go.
Next shade that we have is I Play. Oh god, this is so nice. So this is a very thin layer of I Play. Actually, it's a good, para siyang ano, no, your lips but better. So this is a full pack on of I Play. And guys, reminder, medyo matagal talaga siyang mag-set. So pagkalagay mo, medyo wetty-wetty pa siya. And you have to wait, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes before it can fully set. I know it's a long time. Kaya alam mo yun, huwag ka muna gumawa ng kahit ano. During those few minutes, huwag ka muna kumain, huwag ka muna uminom. If you wanna last this longer, let it set. Okay.
And breathe out. Now breathe in and breathe out. Have faith and no doubt. You're gonna realize that's what life is all about.
Next batch are the pinks and the plum. This is a pink one, trust me. Let's start with I Embrace. So that is one layer. It's just a cute natural color. So this is the full pack on ng I Embrace. And it's just a, para siyang corally pink color. But the thing is, I don't think, hindi siya bagay sa mga morena or deep skin tone because it's pretty light and bright. And by the way guys, hindi lahat ng colors pare-parehas ng consistency. There are some colors that are a little bit patchy or parang kailangan mo talagang carefully apply and layer para makover yung buong lips mo. And isa to sa mga colors na ganon. And parang mga 2 layers pa carefully applied para maging pantay sa buong labi mo.
But you are lucky that way.
Next shade is I Choose. So this is what it looks like kapag ginamit mo siya na parang lip tint. It's also like your lips but better. Yung I Embrace, yung nauna dito is parang peachy corally, but this one is like on the pink side. So this is I Choose in full pack on color, and it is a solid mauve pink that's good for everyday wear. But I'm not sure if this is gonna work for those who have deep skin tones. Kasi kahit na warm siya, well, maybe, just maybe. Probably on the medium. But if you're really deep, parang baka magbuka siyang bright.
It goes right when you go left. It's more than you can digest. But no.
Next shade that I have is called I Rule.
If you say you need some time.
So this is what I Rule looks like kapag ginamit mo lang siya ng very, very subtle. And this one is actually parang plum pink. Parang plum pink or cool tone pink. Parang ganon. So this is what I Rule looks like, full pack on, and I like it better than the I Choose and I Embrace kasi parang ito, it's very subtle. Plum pink pero subtle lang. And I think this one is, pwede naman siya sa mga medium morena skin tones, pero sa mga really deep skin tones, I'm not sure.
Now breathe in and breathe out. Now breathe in and breathe out.
Oh my god, you guys, tinanggal ko siya pero nag-iwan siya ng matinding tint. Oh my god! Oh my god, hindi ko alam anong nangyari. Bakit ayaw niyang matanggal? This is like the best I can do, guys. Ayaw niya talaga matanggal. Next color is I Represent, and this one is a really intense pink. What? So sobrang intense, mukha siyang red. So I'm gonna show you. Ang intense ba? Yan po ang very thin layer ng I Represent. It does represent the pink nation. So this is what I Represent looks like. It's a very intense, deep pink. I love the intensity, but it is not my favorite. Or baka hindi lang talaga bagay sa akin yung ganito ka-intense na pink.
Erase, but you are lucky that way.
My lips is tinted and tainted, and I therefore conclude, guys, na kapag kumain ka, kapag uminom ka, mag-fade out siya, but it's gonna leave you a intense tint pa din, kahit pa paano. Lalo na tong I Represent. Alright, last color for the pink plum batch, and this one is in the shade I Enjoy. Oh, Diyos ko. Baka... One layer pa lang yan, ha? Oh my god. I love this. I love the intensity. I love the feel. I love that it looks so sexy. Highly recommend that you get this color, I Enjoy. You can use this very tiny lang, just spread all over your lips. It can give you a really nice burgundy color. Pero kung gusto mo pang mas intense, you can use it in full pack on, just like what I have on right now. And it looks so nice. Go get this color.
Fine, all you need to know is all you gotta breathe, breathe, breathe.
Hey, super tinted na talaga yung labi ka. Now let's move on to the reds. I have here three shades of red. This one is the lightest, medium, and then the deep red. Okay, umpisahan natin kay I Dream. Okay, so hindi ko na siya mapapakita in one layer kasi medyo heavy na yung tint na naiwan ng other colors, yung mga previous colors. Pero basically, this is what looks like one layer. So it's like an orange-red tint. So this is what looks like full pack on. Naka-cover naman yung mga tint na iniwan ng mga previous colors. So that's good. You know what? Nothing too special. I'm not so excited about this because ang dami ko ng mga Ang dami ng mga red, orange color, and this one is so nice for a summer look. Kapag ka, asa mo yun, intense na yung init, and then you're gonna go to the beach or something like that. Kaya lang, hindi ito morena or deep skin tone friendly because it's red, orange, and it's so bright. Next color is I Don't. Oh my god, guys, I also would like to acknowledge the fact na yung mga pangalan nitong mga shades is like women empowerment. I mean, you know, kahit siguro lalaki gumamit yun. It's like a self-empowerment. And I love it na merong theme yung kanilang piniling mga name ng colors, and it's just so inspiring. This is what I Don't look like in one layer, spread out layer.
Nobody's lucky that way.
Itong I Dream, this is not a morena or deep skin tone friendly. Pero itong I Don't, this is a red-orange na possibly medium, morena, and deep skin tone friendly. Pero alam mo yun, it depends on your overall look. If you have a full face makeup and then what you're wearing, and then you have a bam confidence, I think this could work for a deep skin tone.
I hope that you're listening. There's only one.
We are down to the last color, and this is a shade that I wore so wear test, and it's called I Am Worth It. This is just one layer, okay? One thin layer na ni-spread out ko lang.
One big test with barely much.
This one is the Regal Red. Out of all the reds that I've tried, it makes my teeth white. So alam mo yun, kung mamili ka ng red dun sa tatlong pinakita ko, go get this one, yung I Am Worth It, because you are worth it of this color. This is probably my favorite red out of all the reds. Para siyang nagtataray na red, but in a good way. Alright guys, so those are all the 10 colors ng Rouge signature. I hope na-enjoy kayo sa video na to. I'll try to make it as short as possible. I don't know, tingnan natin sa editing. But thank you so much for watching until the end. And again, I highly recommend that you try all of the colors. You don't have to get all the colors. Not all colors are good, in my opinion. But what I'm sure is definitely worth it na i-try siya. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye!